finish last. You're running out of gas. Your sympathy will get you